Have a look at Adharshila's computer center. Now we'll talk to a few students of how their learning has been towards the basic computer skill course, which is certified by the Ministry of HRD, and they've gained a lot learning and are looking forward to a positive employment after they graduate from school. So let me speak to one of the students to get an idea of what his learning has been like. What's your name?
रोशन कुमार भाटिया.
Okay. आप computer course कर रहे हो?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah. Basic computers. How many months have you finished? 1 month. What have you learnt?
MS Word.
MS Word. So you can type a letter now?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So what is your typing speed?
20.
20 words per minute? Okay. Are you planning to improve that?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Can you do Excel or not as yet?
No ma'am.
So you'll be learning Excel also?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. What about you? What's your name?
My name is Priyanka.
Yeah. What have you learnt in computers?
I have learned Word, Excel. I have learned Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Paint also.
So are you happy with the course?
Yes, I am very happy with the course.
Which class are you studying in?
Today I am doing BA first year.
And what do you plan to do after the computer course and after your college?
After that, actually, I am going to take admission in a fashion designing institute because I want to become a fashion designer.
So your parents are happy with that?
Yes, my parents are very happy.
Okay. And you're doing the English course also, no?
Yes, I am doing English.
So you did...
I have finished the English course.
Okay, how was your English spoken course at Adharshila?
Yes, it was a really good experience and I have improved lots of in myself. I am more confident than earlier.
Okay.
Now I can speak in English in many papers, in front of many papers, and I am very, very happy with that course.
Okay, so you're going to soon receive your certificate, you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you're very happy.
Yes, I am very happy.
And how many of your friends are joining the new batch of English classes at Adharshila?
Actually, approx 8 to 10 friends.
Okay, they'll be joining the new batch in November. So that's great. Are they all from college?
Yes, ma'am, they are from college.
Okay, so what are your subjects in college?
My subjects are English, Hindi, economics, political science, and English.
So what do you want to do after you finish college
After finishing college,
and do your fashion designing?
yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you. Hello, what's your name?
Ram Pradesh.
Okay, which class are you in? Which class are you studying in?
MS Word.
MS Word, you're doing here. Okay, कौन सी class में हो आप?
11th class.
11th class. Which school?
School number 2 Kalgadi.
Okay. So can you speak English?
No.
No? Are you planning to do the English course at Adharshila? When do you want to do it? कब करना चाहते हो आप?
जल्दी शुरू हो जाए.
ओके. पर कंप्यूटर में जब आप इंग्लिश में काम करते हो आपको दिक्कत नहीं होती है?
खास में आती भी है.
आती है. So he can write English but he can't speak English because you don't have the experience and confidence to speak English. Okay, so you want to do the English speaking course also? Okay? Yeah. What about you? What's your name?
My name is Rahul Kumar.
Can you speak a little louder?
Yes ma'am. My name is Rahul Kumar.
Okay. How many months have you done the computer course for?
Ma'am, 15 days ago.
Only 15 days back you enrolled. Okay. So do you know about the English program also at Adharshila?
Yes ma'am, I am doing English, but he is not really right for me.
Okay.
But he asked me, you have not 18 years old, so you have not teachers English.
Okay.
So ma'am, I learn English. I learn English in Nepal.
Okay. So you want to learn English. What about you?
My name is Rupesh.
So you're doing computers also at Adharshila?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. What are you doing at in computers? Can you look at me and talk? Yeah. What all have you learnt in computers? Microsoft Word? Okay, so can you type now? Okay, so do you do some typing at home or you don't do any typing at home? Do you have a computer at home? No? Okay, so you do all your practice here at Adharshala because you don't have a computer at home? Yeah. Okay, thank you.